career onboarding training program presented you by Professional Guru. A little bit about the company is like this company is uh, founded by an IT professional, a senior data warehouse architect, and as a trainer in Boston. We have trained more than 200 graduate students in US as an IT professionals. We have more than 20 corporate clients in US and in India. This whole program is about transforming a student into an IT professional. So, what is this IT career onboarding program? This onboarding program is an intensive project based training for the freshers and the students where they will get the real time IT project essence, where this is how the onboarding process starts with a 1 hour orientation by a senior IT professional explaining them about the IT projects, IT technologies, and IT architectures and all. And where a student will be given a full length project. In that, you have multiple task lists. In that, again, you have a task, and each task is assigned to an student or fresher, and it will be reviewed and monitored by a mentor. And every day, the fresher has to do their tasks assigned to them and log the hours, how much time they have worked on the task. And if on the previous day, if the mentor has raised a bug against an task what they have done, they have to complete that. And this entire project management we are using an Zoho projects, and every day and weekly and monthly reports will be shared with the management for the better progress and analysis of this freshers. So the whole program purpose is to give the student, like the fresher, a real feel and making him as an IT professional. So this is how the whole project management tool that the students and freshers have to work on, where every student will be given a task, and if he has done the task, it will be strike down. And if you can see an example of this task is pending and it's like not strike down. And if there is a document, anything required, they have to attach it. And if there is a code, they have to attach it, and the mentor will be reviewing it. And if there are any bugs or it has to be redone, that the mentor will assign it to the fresher, and they will give the deadline also. So this is all nothing but giving them the real feel of the projects. And like after completing couple of tasks, they'll be completing a milestone, and after completing a set of milestones, they'll be completing the whole project. So they have to log their hours, they have to upload all the required documents, and there'll be already project documents uploaded. They have to download it and read it, and they have to see if there is any scheduled meetings or project discussions happening, and there will be some kind of forums where they can get some help on the task and all. And if they have to talk to any other fresher or get some help, they have a chat. And so we make it more and more lively, like an proper IT project-based training. And you can ask, like, what are the different kinds of technologies we do? We do all kinds of IT technologies. A fresher can become an application programmer, software engineer, or a database developer, or an analyst, or a webmaster, or a QA engineer, or a manual and automation testing engineer. Or if they can go into the application admin side, having application admin, database admin, system admin, or a desktop admin. Or they can choose a business analyst. and they want to get into the application side, they can go into Java, .NET, PHP, C++, and there are like n number of applications application based right now. And if you go to the database side, you have Oracle, SQL Server, MySQL, many open source, MongoDB, and all, and intranet like SharePoint, IBM, SAP, and many more. And coming to the data warehouse side, where you have Oracle apps, SAP, SQL Server, BI, Informatica, Cognos, Tableau, Hadoop. So we explain them actually what are all the latest technologies, what is the importance of each, and what are the technologies that small companies use and why they use, and what are the things the big companies use and why they use. We give them the exposure to get into the client projects, so that they can be a very smooth transition into the client projects. And we strongly, this is the learning process for technology. You have to be the freshers have to practice the technology a lot, and they have to maintain certain standards, and they have to give a certification. Always link the theory with the real-time scenarios, improve the problem-solving skills, and constantly do the mini projects to gain the confidence. And the students have to like be like transform them as a professionals in this whole onboarding program. We make them more process oriented, follow standards in the code, like they'll be used to the documents, keeping track of things, and they will be used to do some groundwork. And like we make them prepare like an IT professional towards the end of the onboarding program. And we also help them for any kinds of technical support or any kinds of support. We'll be helping them in any technology perspective. So you can reach out as professionalguru.com, or you can email us, call us. So just check out our website, our FB page, or YouTube. You can get a lot of useful information. We also do like an counseling. If the fresher was not able to pick a right technology, we can help them pick that. So it's we have a lot of expertise professionals who can share their knowledge and make freshers more and more like confident by transforming all their exposure and experience to the fresher.